In order to embed a story to an iframe, I can start from the go to the stories list. I choose one, and what we need to take from here is the API URL to be added to the iframe. So here there is what is important, the host and the ID of the story, but where we can find it also is from the share functionality here, and I can simply copy the link from here. Yeah, so this can be used externally to open this story. So I simply copy it, and then I created here in w3schools.com a web page with iframe that I can test, and I add then the link to my story there, and let's try it out. We can see, so our SAC refused to connect, and why is that? Because W3 Schools is not trusted consumer. So what we need to do is we copy the link and back to SAC, and we need to add it as a trusted origin. And this we can do from the system administration. There, we can go to the app integration tab, and we can find the section trusted origins with the list of trusted already hosts, and we can add and paste here our w3schools.com URL. So we save. It can take some time. Now it's saved. Let's go back to the web page and run it again and see if it will work. So it start loading. So we see now that our iframe loaded the story and everything is displayed correctly, and this is how we embedded our story.